What's up, y'all? Feels good to be back, man. It's been a good minute. Um, Honestly, I just took a whole break from trading, a couple weeks off, and I had finals after that. So that's just the gist of things. And now I'm back, man. And this is just gonna be like a Q1 recap plus what I learned on my break. And the first thing that I learned, bro, a break could be really essential. A break can be really essential, bro, because like if you're not performing well, like and it's just going on for a while and like you think you're fixing up on your mistakes but the results aren't showing that, maybe it is time for you to just take your mind off the charts for a bit, because as I took time off the charts I was able to see things clearer now, because even though I'm not on the charts, like I took a week off and then like the next week I was like on the charts like later in the day, and I'll like go in replay mode on trading view and like see, ooh, is this a good setup? Can I take it? All this stuff, and like see how I would like perform. It's kind of like back testing, just back testing the day. And I honestly felt like I was able to see things clear, and then I just take a step back while looking at my performance, and then just getting my mind off of trading. That was really good. It was really good. And honestly, for a while, I realized I was lying to myself, man, because I would look at my performance, like I would look at all the trades that I'm taking, and I'm like, wow, okay, I should be doing way better than I am. Like, I should probably like have a funded account, this, that, and the third. But I don't, I don't. So like I'm not performing the way I think I am. Like the your results don't lie. That's what I'm realizing. And it's like a simple thing, like your results don't lie, bro. If you think you're doing good, if you think you're getting better, you may think that, but let's see what your performance shows. And like honestly, I feel like I got better mentally during my break and during like just trading in general, because I was able to take L's and just like kind of be okay with that. Some there'll be ups and downs, but your performance overall, like as a trader and how you're trading and not just like how you're reacting and stuff, it's not gonna lie to you, man. It's not. Like if you have a $50,000 account and you're down like 4% or something, like, and you think you're doing good, bro, come on. Why are you down 4% then? That's just an example. um, yeah. So replaying the day like helped a lot. That was really cool. I was just figuring things out on the fly. Honestly, like if something would pop up in my head, I would do it and be like, oh, I'm gonna go. Like once I'm like actually back on the charts, I'm gonna feel better. You know. And also, I realized that, bro, your sleep is so important. I had to fix my sleep schedule, bro. Um, I was really getting about like 4 hours of sleep, but now I'm getting around like six plus. Like if I'm waking up at 7:30 in the morning, like I usually do want to fall asleep around like 12, 1 o'clock. I feel way better. And another thing that I realized is that before my break, I would wake up and get straight on the charts. But now, for me being like the person I am, I'm gonna wake up, let my brain defrost for a minute. So whatever that is, like for me, it's either like meditation or like just walk around for a bit or like pray, like whatever you think or whatever helps you out, helps you wake up a bit. Brush my teeth, all this stuff, like. I'm not just gonna wake up and get straight on the charts, because that might make me not make a great decision. And this happened before. So it's definitely something that I took into consideration and I did it. And I just wake up feeling better. I wake up feeling better. Like I'm back trading now. So, the recaps, honestly, I don't know where I'm gonna go with these recaps. I may just end up like having more videos like these, and then have some trades in between them, and just showing people like, oh, how I'm doing this and that, like, just little recaps of how I'm doing, I guess. And then my trades will be in there. But I realized the recaps, like, there's not a whole lot of value in those besides the fact that like I'm just showing my trades. But that was really just for me. But I already have like my own little thing where I can look at my trades. So I'm just gonna end up sharing more insight and stuff like that instead of just going over a trade. Like I'll go over a couple still though. So that's for sure something that I realized too. And also, if you guys are thinking about like, oh man, if I take a break, like it's just gonna like slow me down and all this stuff, dude, time off is part of the journey. I'm telling you, time off is part of the journey. Don't feel like you're not going anywhere, because sometimes you're not going anywhere if you keep going and like you're not getting the results you want. But if you take a step back and realize what you're doing and like really clear your mind, like really take a break, it's going to allow you to make more steps forward once you actually come back. It may not feel like it, but the more you take this break, like your mind's going to feel clearer. Like if you need that break, take it. Trust me, because I've learned a lot. And like the main thing was like your results don't lie. And like I couldn't keep on being like, oh man, like what's wrong, and honestly, just take that step back. It's gonna help you out if that's something that you haven't tried. um and then also you could realize, like, is this what you want to do or not? Do you want to trade or not? But also, keep in mind, like, if you're not going to trade, remember like your why. Like, why are you trading? And like, what are you going to do instead? you know if you have something instead and it's like a great idea, and like, you have a vision with it, go ahead, by all means, to each his own. But I have a vision with this and I want to keep it going, so that's why I just took a step back and now I'm back, and I feel like I can make better progress now. We're going to see how it goes. And yeah, honestly, and just like detaching, that's another thing that I learned. This is like for Q1 too, and just in general, detachment is great. Maybe not fully detached, but it's like if you're chasing something, like it's gonna run away from you. So you can still go towards this goal of becoming like a great trader or like a great basketball player, football player, whatever it may be. But on the work. Focus on the work and stop trying to focus on the end goal so much. You know, focus on the work. Understand that like all the time that you have is gonna pass anyways. You know, like this time is gonna keep on passing. Even when you make it, that time's gonna pass too. Like you have to make it and stay there. So like while this time is all passing, like what are you gonna do? You're gonna take all this. Would you rather take all this time that's passing? It's gonna pass anyways. You're gonna take all this time and just like think about the end result. You'd be like, oh, I wish I was there. Or you're gonna take this time and figure things out and do your best. You know what I mean? Like it's gonna help you be more in the moment, be more present, and like help you embrace this journey, bro. Because the better, or the more the struggle, like the sweeter the destination will be. It's gonna be like wow, I did this. And and the destination is only the beginning. Like for me, for example, my destination right now is to get funded. But that's just part of the, it's just blocks. I'm building more blocks brick by brick. Once I get funded, and then it's payouts. And then after payouts, it's get another funded account, stack funded accounts, and then get copy traders, and then stack that, and then make my own account, and then trade for my own account, and then help people. But I'm learning, that all this time is gonna pass anyways. So remember just to take it day by day and don't rush it. Don't rush it, because you don't want to look back and be like, wow, I spent all this time like thinking that I was getting somewhere, but I wasn't. I don't know. I maybe just be yapping a little bit, but this is what I realized during the first quarter and just during my whole break. And now that I'm back, I feel more confident, man. I feel more confident. Like I was on FX replay and I was actually like, making gains on the replay. Like FX replay is just like a backtesting tool, basically. And before this, I wasn't getting no results. Like I was losing money on FX replay, like not actual money, but But this time, like I got to the point where I was able to like, steady profits. Like it's like uptrend. I'm like, oh wow, I'm really taking my time. Like I'm analyzing the trades and everything before I take them, and I'm being patient. And as long as I just do this every day, and keep on going, bro, should be green, man. But you gotta still focus on just the process and not focus too much on like the outcome, man. Trust me. honestly, maybe don't trust me because like I'm not like there yet, but this is something that I realized is just like key in a lot of aspects. Like even when I play basketball, if I'm focusing too much on like my misses and like focusing too much on, I gotta make this, all this stuff, and I'm not just playing the game. Like, bro, just trade, If you know how to trade, just trade. If you know how to hoop, just hoop. Like, just shoot that rock, folk. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't gotta overthink it. That's all. You don't gotta overthink it. With trading, especially, it's like for me, I have the strategy. I know what to do. So you just do it. Just trade, man. Keep it simple, just relax and just trade. So this Q2, we're already a month in, and I'm just starting to trade this week. I'm out of school, so like now I can really focus on this. And yeah, this is good. This was a good break, and it was at a great time. So yeah, I will see you guys with more videos in the future. And just don't forget, like if you feel like you need a break, take it. If you're not where you want to be, if these not expectations, if your results aren't up to par and it's been a good minute, take a break. Honestly, take a step back. Realize what you're doing wrong. Taking a step back isn't just going to take one day. Trust me on that. Because you already took all this time to perform badly. You took all this time to perform badly. It's going to take you some time to realize why you were performing badly. And it's not all going to come in one day. So, yeah. All right. That's all I got, man. I will see you guys in another video. And I'm glad to be back, man. I'm glad to be back.